artificial intelligence can actually help us understand and imagine and feel these artifacts. From buildings and museums can actually present artifacts in a very interactive manner. So once you can do virtual reality, augmented reality, you can actually join this ancient history and you can enjoy the ancient artifacts live using modern artificial intelligence tools. When we talk about preserving cultural heritage, it's important to restore the artifacts, to reconstruct the sites, and also to manage the documents. When we speak on restoring of the artifacts, this can also be done in a digital way, which is much simpler, better, and less destructive, because these artifacts are rare and they are very valued. So we can also do this site reconstruction to figure out what is where and how we could find more ancient artifacts. Document management is very important because usually these artifacts are related to some ancient writings which are difficult to understand. So if you can kind of translate them and organize them, then it's much easier to understand each individual artifact. The modern approaches, of course, include AI. So it's on one hand AI threat monitoring, then there are natural language processing algorithms, but they also facilitate collaboration between different experts. So this threat monitoring can be viewed in different ways. So there are many different threats that can appear to the artifacts, like the preservation in the environment. Also in the museums, it has to be like a very sterile environment that can allow the artifact to remain in the current form. And AI can actually detect which are the most dangerous threats to the artifacts. Then on the next hand, this NLP algorithms can be very useful in cultural context analysis by helping to analyze and extract context from historical documents, so that a deeper understanding of the connections, both from social, political, and cultural parts of a studied time period, can be extracted. These algorithms can also show the sentiment and emotional analysis from given historical period. So that's why these NLP algorithms are very important. And in addition, these algorithms can facilitate collaboration between researchers, historians, archaeologists, and experts from other disciplines, so the discovery and sharing of knowledge about cultural heritage is accelerated. Then we have many different applications. On one hand, these are conservation tools, but then there's also an example like Microsoft AI for cultural heritage. So when we speak about conservation tools, there are, for example, also techniques for authentication and forgery detection, and this can actually help to figure out which artifacts are real and which are not real, and then you can help to make this conservation better, so that you estimate what is the best environment that at the lowest price preserves the ancient artifact in its original form. One very interesting tool is this Microsoft AI for cultural heritage, which is actually a tool developed by Microsoft, and it can help conservation experts to better preserve cultural heritage. So in conclusion, there are many artificial intelligent cultural heritage tools which can allow for better preservation and understanding. Some of these tools have been mentioned here. They primarily assist in content restoration enhancement, in better understanding of the related documents, and also in